I really feel sad for these actors, cricketers, Bollywood guys when they are getting things done on their head, playing with the body and taking the medicines which they have no idea about, and risking so much, taking that many health risks, and still
There is
no result. I won't disclose the name, but this actor told me so many people, they target one person, they show the results for some time, and now this has a shelf life. It's like a movie. Okay, so a movie comes for a month or 2 months, it will earn money, and then the next movie will come. So he said they bring actor after actor, cricketer after cricketer, and no one knows what happened to that poor chap who was the first one to initiate, and he is empty. And he also told me that the irony is, now since these people are in showbiz, the Bollywood and cricketer and all that, so even if they have thinned out, first of all they don't know what happened, still the doctor is god for them, but it is not the case. And secondly, they have to put something, powder or something, to camouflage it when they go out in public. Common man still thinks, oh, this is a great transplant. But yes, he told me, and we see what these celebrities look on the websites of the clinics who have done transplant. They don't look the same in person. So this is an important message for everyone. If you want your hair transplant result to look natural and to keep looking natural for a long period of time, and the result which comes with minimal health risks, and the result which is futuristic, both in terms of medicine usage and in terms of donor usage, you have to know this. And this is exactly what we planned 4 years back, and we are reaping the benefits of that right now. We could also have, overused the things in terms of number of grafts as well as in terms of medication. And then it is a T20 game where you are a chalta firta marketing for me. Okay, then when you go and meet someone, and especially see, just imagine what is at stake when you are doing a transplant of some known face, some known celebrity. Because many a times these transplants are paid, where these celebrities actually get money to get the transplant. So I know a lot of things, and I know all the market rates also, what is going on. But the thing is, even if I really feel sad for these actors, cricketers, Bollywood guys when they are getting things done on their head, playing with the body and taking the medicines which they have no idea about, and risking so much, taking that many health risks, and still
there is no result.
no result.